efficient business models for private banks, investment firms and family offices. Are you convinced that the most efficient business model is based on this total interdependence of wealth management, investment banking and maybe some portfolio management, asset management too?
For us, it is clear that with our roots as a bank for entrepreneurs, we need to be able to cover both the private needs as well as the corporate needs of our clients. And as we are focusing, particularly in the European context, on very professional, semi-institutional clients almost, we get a lot of demand to get sophisticated solutions for these clients, where we need both our investment banking, capital markets capabilities, as well as our wealth management capabilities to provide these solutions. So for example, our clients demand multi-collateral lending. So we can do lending on collaterals such as aviation, real estate portfolios, and create alpha, we believe, that is very hard to attain in the marketplace otherwise.
Investment banking very much ruled the roost. Has that changed? Is the investment banking function now more there to actually support wealth management?
We consider ourselves as a wealth manager with a strong investment bank. And I think the differences are very subtle, but for us, with our background again, it is important to provide these strong investment banking capabilities. So it would be wrong to describe us at Credit Suisse as only a wealth manager. We really believe that we make a difference by combining the two and offering solutions to our clients that are in that case then also differentiating when the clients need it.
And Paul Kearney from Kleinwort Hambros, you share some similar challenges with Credit Suisse as you're now also part of a large banking group. It's not very long ago that French bank bosses saw private banking purely as a distribution channel for investment banking. Are those days now firmly behind us?
I think they are. I think if we were seen by our clients as merely here to push products, our position in the market would be very fragile. At our core, we're here to serve private clients. Our goal is preservation of capital. A lot of our clients have created their wealth and they're looking to work with us to ensure that that's a secure legacy for their family for many decades. One of the topics that clearly is shaping our industry is the cost of investing and the commoditization of the investment management product. And one way to control the cost of that is to deliver it yourself and to ensure that it's true to the beliefs of your own investment philosophy.
If I can bring in Andrew Waldron at Sandaire Private Investment Office, you don't have the asset management or the private banking products created internally, you have to buy them in. Is this an advantage or a handicap?
It has elements of both. The advantages are that we are able to pursue the whole market and do what is right for our clients and allow our clients to do certain things. But we then have the complexity of being able to manage that across different providers and different custodian models, etc. And that requires us to have a fairly sophisticated infrastructure that we perhaps wouldn't need if we were only buying or predominantly buying in-house. But actually, that infrastructure is becoming increasingly more commoditized and therefore easier to deliver.
And if we look at the business model from the perspective of the financial centre where the banks are based?
I think there is scope, particularly because of these high net worth individuals retiring to Malta. They need good banking, they need good asset management. There is at the moment an issue in that the custody operations are not sufficient. We need more. Some now are bringing portfolio management from the UK.
Malta, compared to other jurisdictions, is very cost competitive. So when you compare the cost of setting up an operation or a product in Malta with other jurisdictions in Europe, I think you will find that there's a marked difference in the cost framework. And I think that has clearly driven business to the island, particularly for small operators, startup operators, mindful of the importance of containing their total expense ratio.